Well, you should see them all over the ground here. I'm taping, so come up slow and steady though.